Welcome to Old Perlican, a charming fishing village located on the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador. Old Perlican was settled around 1597 and was originally called Perlican. The name Old was added to distinguish it from New Perlican, another settlement up the bay. In the 17th century, Old Perlican was a major fishing station in Trinity Bay for migratory fishermen from England. One of the oldest recorded English land transactions in Newfoundland happened here in 1711 between settlers John Barrett and John Carter. When you visit, check out the Old Perlican Harbour Authority, Beckett Heritage Property, and the historical graves. Stay at the Captain's Inn, Bed and Breakfast, and explore the Trinity South d'Iberville Trail's northern terminus. Thank you for joining us in discovering the picturesque setting and rich history of Old Perlican, Newfoundland.